Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pressers TV, and today we are in Abia State. We are in Abia State to show you 13 mega projects going on or that Abia State Governor has either completed or has launched. So let's go and we'll show you all of them. The first one is the electricity. The Abia Light, which is the Abia Electricity, is our first major project of Alex Otti. When the news was announced in 2024, many people did not believe it, but that is true. Abia State has 24/7 power supply today. It is currently working and is not going to stop. Instead, it is now being expanded to some parts of Imo State. So, Governor Otti's biggest project, number one, is what you are looking at. This one has been completed and it is mind-blowing. The Abia people are now enjoying 24/7 electric power supply. So let's go to number two. The number two we have today is our project number two is what you are looking at, and this is Port Harcourt Road, Aba. If you check here, you will see the address. It is written 146 Port Harcourt Road, Aba. Now, when Alex Otti came to power, this is exactly what he met. This is how Abia State used to look when he came to power. This is Port Harcourt Road. But how does it look now? This is how this place looks today. Beautiful, right? It's mind-blowing. Not only that, he did nice job, but he also laid good drainage system. Look at the drainage system here. This is first-class road construction. And this work was being handled by Julius Berger. This is mind-blowing. The transformation here is mind-blowing. From this to this. Wow. So let's go to project number three. The project number three is what you are looking at, and this is Area International Market. Wow. All the projects of Alex Otti are mind-blowing. Look at International Market. Look at International Market. 1,400 shops. You see, there are shops everywhere in Abia International Market. This is mind-blowing. Believe me, nobody ever expected that Abia State would change within 2 years. Just 2 years, 7 months in office. Look at how Abia State is looking. Everybody is jealous of Abia State, including me. Who does not want to live in a good environment with 24/7 electric power supply? You see here, light here is turned on. This is afternoon. The person who owned this shop forgot to turn the light off. Although he is going to pay for it. This is mind-blowing, and this is Nigeria. Wow. This is Area International Market, built by Alex Otti. So let's go to our next project. Our next project is number 4, and this one is known as Obehe Owaza Road. Now, there is a reason I picked this project. This project is not in Aba Center. This is far away from Aba. But Alex Otti is dualizing every road that is connected to Aba. You see, this is very far away from Aba, but they had road before. After he had finished repairing road inside Aba, he is now dualizing this road, and it looks nice. See how it is. Good drainage system too. See, wide road for everybody. This is a state that never expected that they will even have good road. Instead of to keep it one lane it used to be, he decided to widen it. Not only to repair it, but to make it wider. Man, Alex Otti is a blessing for Abia State. So let's go to our next project. Our next project is number 5, and this number 5 is what we are looking at. This is bus stop, modern bus stop. And you would say, why did I enter bus stop? That bus stop is just come on. No. This is not ordinary bus stop. Alex Otti is laying good bus stops in Abia State. Look at what he did here. The bus stop is not the normal bus stop that some governors will just come and mount bus stop on the road. No. This bus stop, he take it far away from the road so that when the bus come, the bus will shift a little bit, enter into the bus stop, discharge or pick passengers without disturbing buses or vehicles that are passing on the main road. And it looks beautiful. Now, at the end of this video, you will see the reason he is mounting these bus stops. I'm not going to tell you why. I think when we get to number 12. Number 12 is going to reveal the reason why Alex Otti is mounting thousands of bus stops in Abia State. Not only in Aba, both in Umuahia. Everywhere in Abia State, he's changing the bus stops. So let's go to our project number 6. Our project number 6 is what you are looking at. This is a prototype. And what is it? This is Abia State Public Transport Project. What you are seeing here is Abia Bus Terminal. This is big. When he announced this project, showed this prototype, I did not believe that Abia State will start this project. But glory be to God, this project has commenced. Let's go and you'll see how the work is going. Now, when it finished, this is how it is going to look. You see this curve that goes here, go around here. The curve is what you are seeing here. It's actually what you are seeing here. And this is going to be one of the longest bus terminals in the southeast. So this is where the work is going on. The bus stop has commenced. I mean the bus terminal. So let's wait and see when he is going to complete it. This is mind-blowing. See where the engineer are explaining how everything is going to be the inside. This is the inside. If you look here, I don't know whether you can see it. It is written Abba to Onisha, Abba Onisha. You may not see it clearly because it is a little bit far. And this is what you see here is the part of the bus terminal in Abba. This is mind-blowing. This man is actually doing heavy projects in Abia State. This is beautiful. So let's go to the next project of Abia State governor. This governor is, his project is heavy. The next project is number 7, and this one is, wow, 6 lanes road. 6 lane. 3 by the left and another 3 by the right. With a good drainage system and everything. This road has everything you could imagine. See the drainage system, see how it is. 6 lane. And this is Osa Okpara Road in Abia State. When this is the construction, how it is, and they are still tiling it. This is the number 7. Wow! Mind-blowing. See the drainage system. This is how to construct road. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And look at the drainage system and so on and so forth. and some of the road being tied, some part of the road, and this is the road. So this is Osa Opara Square Road. So let's go to our best project of Abia State Governor number 8. The number 8 is what we are looking at, and this is Abia Airport, Nsulu. I've never seen any project that started as quick as this airport. Immediately it was launched, the project was launched, work started immediately. Clearing, measurement, taking everything. It has commenced already, and if you go there now, they are clearing everywhere, because this is going to be one of the biggest airports in the southeast. The reason is that this place is going to be used for export and import. This is going to be one of the biggest cargo terminals in West Africa, and that is Abia Airport Nsulu. Man, I think what is happening in Igbo land now is mind-blowing, not only in Abia State, but everywhere in Igbo land. In the last 4 years or the last 2 years, when all these new governors came into power, what people had been dreaming that they never had came at the same time. And the one that is happening in Abia State is inexplicable. Entire Nigeria never experienced 247 electric power supply. Nobody ever dreamt that the first state to do that will come from Southeast, and it will come from a state that people used to laugh at. Don't laugh at anybody. Don't laugh at anybody. Everything everybody is dreaming, in Nigeria, Abia State is having them. Good road, good governance, 247 electricity, airport, good transportation system. What again? Everything. So let's go to the next project of Abia State Governor anyway, because they are all mind-blowing. I don't know what to say. I'm surprised. The next one is number 9. And this place is known as Aguiyi-Ironsi Boulevard. Now, if you check, this one is in Umuahia. If you check, most of the road this man is constructing is either 4 lanes or 6 lanes. Hardly before you see 2 lanes. And when you see them, we don't count them because they are street. He is also constructing a lot of street. And we are going to mention everything at the end of this video. So look at this. This road is 6 lanes, 3 going and 3 coming. This is mind-blowing. You see it? Wow! See the type of road Abia State Governor is constructing. Aguiyi-Ironsi Boulevard. And what surprised me is that this place has 247 power supply. NEPA doesn't take light here. There is nothing like taking light in this place. You live here, you live like you are living in America. Street light is turned on 247. There is no crime no thief will pass near here because everywhere is like afternoon. Man, it's unbelievable. And this road also is beautiful. If you see it, it looks like computer generated because this is how you see road in newspaper. But actually, this is in Abia State. Aguiyi-Ironsi Boulevard. With a 247 electric power supply, everything. Good road. Clean. Man, competition in the southeast is what amazes me these days. But the one in Abia State is mind-blowing. Because after this year and next year, he will still do other projects. And he is going to stay 4 years. He has just been there for 2 years, 7 months. In the next 1 year, 1 year, 5 months, what will he do? Although, yeah, he has not finished all the projects, but I know he's going to win the next election. The next 4 years, what is he going to do? Is to make this place to turn to heaven. Believe me, because he has 24/7 electricity, electric power supply, good road, good market. Abba is looking beautiful, good drainage system, and I will show you something as we continue, because there is one project that people don't know that is happening, and that project is actually happening. Let's continue, because there is something I want to show you in the future. So this is number 9. Let's go to number 10. I don't want to waste time because I have so many things to show you in Abia State. I came here and I was like, what? All this information in one place within 2 years? Nobody ever imagined it, including me. So let's go to number 10. Well, this is the number 10. And this number 10 is textile market, which is, as it is here, Abia International Textile Market, Ekoha. So the first time I heard about this market, I heard that he wanted to rebuild the market. He made the announcement, and a month later, he started demolishing the place. Now work have started in Ekoha. But what caused news is the demolition of Ekoha market. And this is the Ekoha market. See how the market is going to be? Man, Abia State Governor is the best. International Textile Market Ekoha, Aba. This is in Aba. Hey, this is mind-blowing. Let me show you. People who live here are taking a look, seeing how their houses or stores have been demolished, but demolished for good, you know. So Aba and Abia State is the new heaven of Nigeria. So this is how the place is looking presently. Work has already been commenced here. The first decking is already been planned, and they are now putting some concrete over there. So let's go to number 11. Now, this number 11 is the most important of everything I have shown you. And you are going to see the reason. It is called Aba Borough Pit. Now, this place is drainage system alone, only drainage, open drainage. Why? It's as big as a room. Keke can run inside here freely as a road, and this is a drainage system. But why is Abia State constructing drainage in the bush? Do you see this place is bush? Everywhere is, this place is very, very far away from Aba, but it is in Aba now. But it is kilometers upon kilometers, and they are all coming here. All those drainages you see in Aba, they will all pass through this place. And you would ask why. The reason is that to prevent erosion in Aba and Abia State, they need drainage system. To prevent smelling of road in Aba and Abia State, they need this drainage system. And here is where all this drainage system is ending up. This place you see. So anything like dirty water from Aba is going to end up in this place. This place is like a lake, but not actually a lake. It is man-made lake, or would I say trapped lake, because most of the water that is in this lake are all dirty water. But it's far away from Aba, and they channel all of them to be coming here, and it is open. So this is how huge the place is. See the drainage? The reason I say that this place is this project is one of the best is that all the big cities, both in America, Europe, Asia, Australia, have this drainage system. Some of them are open, because most of them, the water you see there is like rainwater, you don't see toilet water here in Europe or America, right? But in Nigeria, dirty water, they pump dirty water everywhere. I don't know whether dirty water will also come here. I don't believe it because Nigeria have what they call soakaway. So the rainwater and everything will flush from here and go to that lake I showed you about. You see, apart from Alex Otti building the road, constructing the road, he is also thinking about where the water will go. Because the problem of Nigeria is not only about road, okay, but where is those waters that is on drainage system, where do they go? How did you plan it? Julius Berger, if you check, you see here, you see this man? It's B, you may not see it here. This is Julius Berger. They came and they take control and they look for a space and they pointed here that this place will be a nice place for it. Since it is not a drainage water, this is a rainwater. Let it go to this lake. In some years, this lake will be a very big lake. So let's see how it goes. So let's go to our next big project of Alex Otti. The next big project of Alex Otti is a breaking news. And that is our number 12. And what is it? Alex Otti has just announced that he is purchasing new electric buses. Look at it. Abia government Otti to roll out electric buses for public transportation. This was made in May 22, 2025. Now you have seen the reason I told you that number 12 will explain the reason he is constructing bus stops everywhere. This is the reason. This is the reason. Alex Otti has procured electric buses. Now, this is a bad news for Abba and good news for development. You know, I've been praising Abbas from the day one. But my praise will go higher. But it is a disadvantage for some people. Because what do you see here? Keke and Molue yellow buses, they are going to be banned in Abia State very soon. That is what we are going to see. From today to 1 year, you will hear the announcement that there will be no more Keke. Wait until Abia State Governor finish the bus terminal in Aba and Umuahia. The next thing is announcement of banning of Keke, and these electric buses will take over. So that is what I see. This is a very good development, believe me. So let's go to number 13, because after the number 13, then I close. But you are going to see one thing that will surprise you after the number 13. So let's go. Well. We are here. The best project of Alex Otti in 2025, number 13, is Abia Industrial Innovation Park. This is also mind-blowing. And many people may not understand what this is. This is seaport. There is a drainage going on presently as me and you are sitting here in Abia State. They are drilling a river to this Abia Industrial Park where ships will be offloading containers. And from here, it will be taken to Aba. And also for exportation, it will be taken from Area Market to here and being exported, goods to other countries or other places. So this is one of the biggest projects of Alex Otti. This is Alex Otti commissioning the work, but now the drainage is working. Now they are drilling the seaport. It is going on every day and every night. So it is a mind-blowing project. Now, based on what I have seen in Abia State, man, I'm surprised about what is happening in Abia State, but what surprised me more is what you are going to see. Your mind is going to be blown off. If you think you have seen enough, let's go and you see what I will show you. And this one is number 14. Now, the number 14 will blow your mind. Number 14 is 257 projects. You see, this project is written completed. I don't know whether you see it very clearly. You will not see it. This is it. Completed. These are the names of everything Abia State government have done. And they are not one, they are not two. 257 projects. Look at it. These ones are completed. You can read it by yourself. Like if I go here, repair and maintenance work at Asaba Street, Umahia. If I go and to another one, link up East Road to Ungwa Road. I mean here, number 52. So there are different pages like that. These are all the projects that he has done since he came into power. Number 69 say asphalt overlay of Bata railway crossing Aba. Another one, the seating of Immaculate Avenue Tunnel Aba. That is 257 projects. He listed them in 5 pages. You can go through them one by one, read one by one. Okay? See this one? Port Harcourt Aba section of Port Harcourt Enugu Express Road. Special project. Why this one is called special project, for you to know, is because this place supposed to wait for federal government to do. Since federal government did not do it, he did it. It is Port Harcourt Enugu Road. In Abia, Port Harcourt Abia section of the Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway. So when you hear about Port Harcourt Road is not only the Port Harcourt Road in Abia. No, there is Port Harcourt Enugu Road done by Otti as well. And that is what he put here. So these are the pages. If you are from Abia State, you can go and read it, or you can also read it from here and pause and take a look. So this is the end of my program today, and see you tomorrow. I'm amazed about what Alex Otti is doing in Abia State, and what amazed me more is 2-4 electric power supply. To me, that one is the heaviest, is the mind-blowing, that what the entire country could not do, a governor came into power and within 2 years he mounted 247 electric power supply. For some of you who are complaining about electricity, you have one state to pack to. So see you next time.